Hello, welcome back to our channel Kids Sentence. Today I am going to tell about the body cells we have. Every body starts life as a single cell, the fertilized ovum or egg. Within 24 hours of fertilization, the egg divides into two identical cells which continue to divide as they travel safely to the womb. How many body cells do we have? Everything in our body, from our skin to our intestines, is made up of microscopic cells. Scientists estimate that a body contains about 100 trillion cells, but no one knows exactly how many. The number varies according to the size of the person and constantly changes as old cells die and new ones are made. Cell structure. Cytoplasm, jelly-like fluid in which the components of the cell float and move. Second one, endoplasmic reticulum, folded membranes that transport materials through the cell. Chromosome, one of 46 thread-like strands made of DNA that contains the instructions needed to make the cell work. Golgi apparatus, processes proteins for use inside or release from the cell. Microvilli, increase the surface area of certain cells to help absorb nutrients and other substances. Cell membrane, outer boundary that regulates the flow of substances into and out of the cell. Nucleus, control center. Lysozyme, produces powerful enzymes that destroy worn out cell parts. Mitochondrium, uses oxygen to break down glucose and other fuels to release energy. Ribosome, produces proteins. Types of cells. Nerve cell, neuron, sends out and receives information from other cells through tiny electrical impulses. Red blood cell, picks up oxygen from the lungs and carries it into other body cells. They also give blood its typical red color. Epithelial cell, packed together, these protective cells form the skin's epidermis and line organs such as the lungs and stomach. Fat cell, found in layers under the skin, these cells store fat as an energy reserve and to insulate the body. Muscle cell, contains long strands of fibrous protein that interact to make muscle cells contract, usually when triggered by a nerve signal. Liver cell, regulates the chemical composition of the blood by storing and processing food and removing harmful substances. Photoreceptor cell, these light-sensitive cells found in the eye convert light into nerve impulses to send to the brain. The basic unit in all living things is a cell. Group of cells with similar characteristics is a tissue. Collection of tissues that perform a particular function is an organ, and collection of organs and tissues that carry out an important task is a system. Believe it or not, bones are living organs that contain cells. If you break a bone, cells called osteoblasts will build up new bone and repair the fracture. If you like this video, do like and subscribe. I will come back with another interesting topic. Thank you.